Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to talk about the blood group, the Rh factor. Rhesus factor or Rh factor is a type of antigen on the surface of RBCs, beside the antigens of the blood group. Humans are classified according to the Rh factor into positive Rh or negative Rh. Positive Rh means that their blood contains Rh factor, while the negative Rh means that the blood doesn't contain Rh factor. The positive Rh represents 85% of the human being, while the negative Rh represents 15% of the human being. That means that the positive Rh is the dominant character, while the negative Rh is the recessive one. Importance of Rh factor. Number one, Rh factor or rhesus factor determination cannot be neglected before blood transfusion process. Let's talk about this point. You have to know that Rh positive can transfer the blood to Rh positive. Rh negative can transfer the blood to Rh negative. Also, the Rh negative can transfer the blood to Rh positive, while the Rh positive cannot transfer the blood to Rh negative, as the immune system of the person who has the Rh negative will make antibodies against the Rh as an immune response. Number two, rhesus factor determination cannot be neglected before marriage. That's to avoid the risk arising from the formation of antibodies for rhesus factor in the fetus that causes disintegration of red blood cells of the fetus. Let's talk about the role of rhesus factor in pregnancy and delivery. No problem if Rh positive man married Rh positive woman. Also no problem if Rh positive man is married to Rh positive woman, or Rh negative man is married to Rh negative woman. Also no problem if Rh negative man is married to Rh positive woman, because the children will be all carry Rh positive like the mother. But if the Rh positive man is married to Rh negative woman, the fetus inside the uterus of the mother will be Rh positive like his father. So there is a difference now between the blood of the fetus and the blood of the mother, as the blood of the fetus is Rh positive and the blood of the mother is Rh negative. In the first pregnancy, a portion of fetus blood mixes with his mother's blood at delivery. This stimulates the immune system of the mother to produce antibodies against the Rh. These antibodies remain in the mother's blood and affects the second pregnancy. In the second pregnancy, the antibodies formed from the first pregnancy in the mother's blood move from the mother's blood to the blood of the fetus through placenta. These antibodies cause disintegration of the red blood cells of the fetus, infecting the fetus with severe anemia that may lead to death. So what can we do in this case? The preventive measure that we can do in case of discovering this difference between the mother's blood and the fetus blood before the delivery of the first baby is the injection of the mother with the protective serum through 72 hours after each birth to protect the future baby. The serum disintegrates the blood containing Rh positive that leaked from the blood of the fetus to the mother before enhancing or activating the mother immune system to form antibodies. So you have to know, again, there is no problem if Rh positive man married a woman Rh positive, or Rh negative man married a woman Rh negative, or Rh negative man married a woman Rh positive, because the children all have Rh positive like the mother. But the problem when the Rh positive man married a woman Rh negative, because all the children will carry Rh positive like their father. And the problem here is the difference between the Rh of the mother and the Rh of the fetus. I hope that you understand what I'm explaining.